We are pleased to show you
The 2013 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, stability control, 6-speed automatic transmission standard, cruise control, power door locks, fog lamps, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, airbags, perimeter alarm, hill descent control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.